Every youth in Georgia DFACS foster care is entitled to a variety of valuable government benefits. There are three sources: federal, state, and county benefits. They are all legal entitlements. A government entitlement is a protected right. It cannot be arbitrarily taken away, ignored, or withheld from your youth. If a youth is entitled to a benefit, DFACS is required to tell them. If a youth understands all their government benefits, they can insist on receiving them. Youth in foster care deserve for their families, case managers, attorneys, and guardian ad litem to champion them. The Supreme Court has ruled that government benefits can be protected property interests under the law. Why is this? In 2003, the Supreme Court said in Barnhart v. Peabody Coal Company that benefits, like coal industry retiree health care, are legal entitlements. The court ruled that benefits cannot be revoked without proper statutory procedures. The youth you advocate for, if a qualified beneficiary, has several categories of entitlements. These include room and board, health care, nutritious meals, enrichment activities, a current case plan, reasonable efforts, and comprehensive, useful, independent living services. Many youth in foster care may also be entitled to Social Security benefits. For each of these, the youth you advocate for has a protected property interest in receiving that benefit. These benefits cannot be unfairly ignored, refused, or taken away. They are not optional, discretionary, hit-and-miss DFACS handouts. DFACS is tasked by statute and agency policy to determine your youth's range of entitlements, to understand what they are, and help your youth get them. Being placed in foster care often means a youth does not get benefit money directly to spend themselves. Caregivers and service providers are the ones who get paid back or reimbursed when they spend money or do something for your youth. Whoever provides the entitlement must submit an invoice that lists everything they did or bought and how much it cost. Receipts must be attached to these invoices. DFACS keeps track of all these transactions, beginning the day a youth first came into care, using an assigned client name and client number. Every item on an invoice a foster parent, service provider, or vendor submits must match your youth's client name and client number. This ensures reimbursed expenses are being properly used for your youth's benefit. DFACS CoStar policies list every reimbursable category, item, and service. It details every step, type of entitlement, its description, responsible person, and maximum reimbursable dollar amount by allowable entitlement code, AEC. These CoStar policies are publicly available online. If you have more questions or want to see your youth's financial details, ask DFACS for your youth Shines reimbursement reports. It is important to report your fact-finding results and best interest recommendations in all dependency hearings. By working closely together, guardians ad litem, attorneys, DFACS case managers, and caregivers should promote entitlements as fundamental best interests. Speaking with one voice, especially in court, enhances your advocacy and the potency of your recommendations.